Percent of increase decrease. When calculating for percent of increase or decrease, you always compare how much a quantity has changed from the original amount. The PRB triangle learned in previous lesson can be replicated in solving word problems related to percent of increase or decrease. The percent of increase using the triangle can be illustrated with I as amount of increase, percent sign as percent increase, and OP as original price, regular price, tag price, or mark price. Take note that increase is on top of the percent increase and original price, while percent increase and original price are beside each other. So using the triangle, the formula in getting the percent increase is percent increase equals amount of increase over original price, or that is amount of increase divided by original price. Example, Amy went to a department store and saw a pouch bag which cost 240 pesos. When she returned after a week, the bag is now 270 pesos. What is the percent increase in the price of the bag? Since you need to look for the percent increase in the price of the bag, so the formula would be percent increase equals amount of increase divided by original price. And for the solution, step 1 is to get first the amount of increase. This can be done by subtracting the original price from the increased price. So that's 270 minus 240 equals 30. So the amount of increase is 30 pesos. Step 2. Following the formula, the amount of increase is to be divided by the original price. So that's 30 divided by 240 equals 125 thousandths. Since you are getting the percent increased, take note that you have to change decimal to percent by multiplying the decimal by 100, or simply move the decimal point 2 places to the right and put the percent sign. So that's 125 thousandths times 100 equals 12 and 5%, and that is the percent increase. Try this. The blouse which was on display 2 weeks ago cost 250 pesos. It is now 275 pesos. How much is the percent increase in the price of the blouse? To get the percent increase, use the formula percent increase equals amount of increase divided by original price. Step 1 is to get first the amount of increase, so that's 275, which is the increased price, minus 250, which is the original price, equals 25 pesos as the amount of increase. Step 2, using the given formula, divide 25, which is the amount of increase, by 250, which is the original price, equals 1/10. Take note that you have to change decimal to percent by multiplying it with 100, or by simply moving the decimal point 2 places to the right and put the percent sign. So for step 3, it would be 1/10 times 100 equals 10%, and that's the percent increase. For percent of decrease, using the triangle, D stands for the amount of decrease. Percent sign is the percent decrease, and OP is the original price, regular price, tag price, mark price. Take note that decrease is on top of the percent decrease and original price, while percent decrease and original price are beside each other. So with this, the formula in getting the percent decrease is percent decrease equals amount of decrease over original price or percent decrease divided by original price. Example, from the price of 160 pesos, a box of biscuits is now sold at 120 pesos. What was the percent decrease in the price of a box of biscuits? To get the percent decrease, the formula would be percent decrease equals amount of decrease divided by original price. For the solution, step 1 is to get the amount of decrease by subtracting the decreased price from the original price. So that's 160 minus 120 equals 40, which is the amount of decrease. Following the formula, step 2 is to divide the amount of decrease by the original price. So that's 40 divided by 160 equals 25 hundredths. Take note that you have to change the decimal to percent by multiplying it with 100 or by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right and put the percent sign. So for step 3, that is 25 hundredths times 100 equals 25%, and that's the percent decrease. Try this. A book that cost 240 pesos is now sold at 228 pesos. What is the percent decrease in the price of the book? To get the percent decrease, the formula is amount of decrease divided by original price. For the solution, step 1 is to find first the amount of decrease. So that's 240 minus 228 equals 12, which is the amount of decrease. Step 2, following the formula, 12 divided by 240 equals 5 hundredths. Take note that since you are getting the percent decrease, so change decimal to percent by multiplying it with 100 or by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right and put the percent sign. So for step 3, 5 hundredths times 100 is 5%, which is the percent decrease.